Okay. Now, did you expect the Supreme Court that denied your camp's request for a TRO on the ICC warrant?
Well, I was hoping that somehow they would grant it, but then again, this is only an order affecting the provisional remedy. This is not a decision on the merits. And we have to have a copy of the order so that we will understand. Baka doon siguro sa third element na walang grave and irreparable injury, dahil doon hindi na-grant yung aming TRO. Pero hindi po sa ibig sabihin nun natalo na kami. Ha? Hindi lang siguro, kasi may Senate Protective Custody, separate branch of the government yan. So pwede lang sabihin, meron ka na namang Senate Protective Custody yan, independent branch of the government yan. Matter of wisdom yan ang Senado. So pwede lang sabihin na yung grave and irreparable injury sa iyo ay wala na. Hindi mo na kami mag-issue ng TRO sa iyo.
Oo.
So pwede kasing ganun eh. Ang iba kasi, parang sinasabi na nila na go signal na ito na implementa ang warrant. Kalokohan yan, kabalbalan yan.